Attention small creators, you don't need an ad to blow up your Facebook page. This is how I gained 80,000 followers on my Facebook page without spending a dime. And in today's video, I will show you how you can do it too. And if I can do it, surely you can do it. Let me give you a little background on how I started. 2 years ago, a friend of mine created his Facebook page that is a photography page, and he started posting. Few months in the first year, he told me that he had gained 100,000 followers. I said, what? How is that possible? And when he showed me the page, and I was surprised that look at followers, I told myself, when will I get this kind of followers? And I asked him, how did you achieve this? And he explained to me, this is what I should do. So I started my own page. Starting from scratch is not always easy. Nobody should lie to you that when you just post your videos start picking. You have to start from somewhere. And what can really help you is what I want to tell you today. So sit down, take your popcorn with your Kim Coke, and I will explain step by step on how I achieved this milestone. This is what really gave me 80,000 followers in the last 28 days. Step 1, finding your niche. Most people post random content on their page, which is wrong. All you need to do is to be specific in a niche that you will be posting your content. I choose particularly a niche which is a photographic niche because I love photography. So I create content based on photography. So posting random content, Facebook algorithm will not recognize your page because your page is not specific. So all you have to do is pick a particular niche. We have football niche, we have entertainment niche, we have sport niche, we have comedy niche, we have a lot of niche. So what you know you love doing, just pick that particular niche. If it is cooking, you can also pick a cooking niche. If it's someone that loves talking inspiration, giving updates on things happening, whether in tech and other things like that, you can also get that niche. And once you start that niche, be particular about it, be consistent about it. Don't go up and down. You will post sports today, tomorrow you go and post entertainment, next tomorrow you go and post another thing. With that, Facebook algorithm will not push your video to a particular person because your content is not specified. You didn't niche your content to a particular people. The moment you choose a niche and you start posting consistently, you discover that Facebook starts spreading your videos to that particular people that like your video. If it is football, they start showing people that are interested in football. If it is entertainment, if it is photography, they start showing your video that loves photography. So that is how it works. So this is what happens to me. I pick a specific niche, which is photography. I consistently post, and before you know, my videos start gaining hundreds of thousands of views, and before you know, followers start trooping in. And number 2 step that helped me to get 80,000 followers is creating a shareable content. You don't need to flood your Facebook page with videos because you just want to post. You need to create shareable content that people will watch and they will love to share it on their own. And one thing about Facebook is this: when your content is being shared by different individuals, Facebook start pushing your content to different people, and before you know, you start gaining massive views. And when views are coming in, followers are also coming in. And number 3 step that helped me to gain 80,000 followers is Reels. I post Reels a lot, and one thing about Reels, they are short videos. On YouTube, you can also say they are short videos that are from 18 seconds to 1 minute 30 seconds. When you post Reels, they go further than the long form videos. So when you're consistently posting Reels, you start gaining massive views and massive followers. Reels really helps a lot, and it helps you to go faster, and you will have massive audience flooding your page. Number 4 step that helped me to gain 80,000 followers is posting at the right time. I think I have said this in one of my videos before. Posting at the right time is very crucial. You can post 7 a.m., you can post 9 a.m., you can post 11 a.m., you can post 12 a.m., you can post 1 p.m., you can post 2 p.m., you can post 4 p.m., you can post 6 p.m. This time that you are posting is very crucial for your followers to engage in your videos. One thing you need to understand is 7 a.m. is when people are waking up. Most people will just pick their phone and they will look at what is in their phone. At that time when you post, there's every tendency for you to gain followers. From 8 a.m. people are already going to work, and sometimes there are traffic on the road, so they will take their phone, they'll start scrolling through. At that particular time when you post your videos, there's every tendency to go viral. 11 also, people are having break, maybe a company that they are working for, there is break. Before you know, they will start scrolling their phone. Before you know, when you post at that particular time, the video also can go viral at that time. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3, you can also post at that time. A lot of people who are entrepreneurs, who work from home, can also engage in your videos. And from 4 p.m., people are coming back from the office and going back to their various home. At that particular time, when you post your video can also go viral, because at that time, most of them can also meet traffic on the road and they will still start scrolling their videos. So at that particular time, when you post your videos also, there's every tendency for you to go viral. These are the things that I'm doing that helped me to gain this massive followers. 80,000 followers in 28 days is not easy. And number 5 step that helped me to gain 80,000 followers is engaging on people's comments. When you post your videos, you will see numbers of comments on your video. Don't just leave it like that. Anyone that comments on your video, reply. And another thing for you to gain followers, you can also type, where are you watching from? Before you know, people will start saying, I'm watching from US, I'm watching from UK, I'm watching from Canada, I am watching from maybe Australia, Germany, France. So once you start seeing those comments, start replying them. So the more your videos gain comments, the more Facebook will be spreading your videos for more people to see. Not only videos, you can also post pictures and you'll have massive engagement. And your engagement will lead to people following your page. And number 6 tip that helped me to gain 80,000 followers on my Facebook page is repurposing your videos. You can't be posting videos every day back to back. You will burn out. So what I do is I will look at my videos that have gained massive views, maybe 3 months ago, maybe 4 months ago, maybe 8 months ago. I will go to those videos and pick from those videos and change the thumbnails and change the caption. I will post again. So when I do that, that virality will come again to that particular video, and before you know, I will start gaining massive views again. And once the views are coming in, followers are coming in. So this is how I gained 80,000 followers in the last 28 days. In my next video, I will also be giving you updates on how I gained 50 million views in 30 days. 50 million views. A lot of people will not believe, but I will break it down, the strategy, everything that I did that helped me to gain 50 million views in 30 days. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will be the first person to see. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.